Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the super powerful Dark Spriggan and grow a garden. So basically, you're just going to go to the Halloween market, and if you see under creepy critters, there's a Dark Spriggan, and its abilities is that it occasionally spreads its roots, and all nearby fruit have a chance to get the blight mutation. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I can't really show you guys how you can get it. You can enable stock updates on your Discord. There's like a Grow Garden Discord server that you can enable notifications from, and it'll tell you guys when the Dark Spriggan is in market. So make sure you have enough candy corn for that. I actually don't know how much you need for it. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!